Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing non-essentials now, get 30% of items out and set them aside for donation or storage. Once done, measure the room, length, width, ceiling height so you know limits. Make sure to keep only true essentials near the bed, lamp, charger, 2 storage bins. While you clear, visualize zones for sleep, storage, and a small work nook. This prevents recluttering later. Move quickly but deliberately. This is the foundation for efficiency. You now build up, install full-height shelving to free floor space and prioritize items by frequency of use. Once shelves are in, put seasonal or rare items up high, keep daily items at eye level. Make sure to convert underbed space with 1/2 height rolling drawers or vacuum bags for linens. This instantly adds cubic storage. Choose dual-use furniture, ottoman for storage, fold-down desk, or loft bed to compress functions into smaller footprints and keep walkways clear. You finish by testing the zones, walk the space, use the work nook, and sleep for one night, then adjust placements within 24 to 48 hours. Make sure lighting supports tasks. Add a task light and warm ambient at about 2,700 degrees K to 3,000 degrees K for comfort. If clutter creeps back, follow a single troubleshooting rule: 1 in, 1 out. That small habit prevents backsliding, and if something still feels off, swap one storage type for another until flow is restored.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.